All right, guys, so we are at PRI. We got Jackie Ding's car. We're going to be doing the install manual of our Vortex Generators. So basically, while we were doing the CFD analysis and everything, we noticed that the rear window had some detached flow. And through some CFD analysis and our off-the-shelf Vortex Generators, we were able to actually improve downforce, reduce drag, so basically overall improve vehicle efficiency from an aerodynamic perspective, and we're going to add that to his car at the show today, show you how easy it is. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so I'm going to get to it real quick. We've already installed the double-sided tape on the Vortex Generators. You're going to peel off the white side of that double-sided tape, and then we'll leave the red part on. Do some isopropyl alcohol mix for this, so for good adhesion on that 3M. We have our template. I'm going to go ahead and cut it out with scissors real quick, and then we're going to show how it goes onto the car, and then we'll install the Vortex Generators. So we got the template on the hood. It's taped on. You can see that it goes around that antenna area, and then it'll follow that rear roof line. We're now going to wipe it with isopropyl mix.
Can't leave these guys around. Like, as soon as I'm gone for like 5 minutes, they start slapping stuff on my car. Thank you, Eric.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Not a problem, man.